everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn 20 festivals of India. Diwali is the festival of lights. Holi, festival of colors. Navratri, festival of 9 nights. Durga Puja, worship of goddess Durga. Eid al-Fitr, festival of breaking the fast. Christmas, it is the birth of Jesus Christ. Raksha Bandhan, bond of protection between brothers and sisters. Ganesh Chaturthi, worship of Lord Ganesha. Janmashtami, birth of Lord Krishna. Pongal, harvest festival of South India. Onam, harvest festival of Kerala. Baisakhi, harvest festival of Punjab. Lohri, bonfire festival. Makar Sankranti, kite flying festival. Eid al-Adha, festival of sacrifice. Dasara, victory of good over evil. Mahashivratri, worship of Lord Shiva. Karva Chauth, fasting for husband's longevity. Bihu, harvest festival of Assam. Vishu, New Year festival of Kerala. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.